You've probably heard Pinterest can drive traffic, maybe even sales, but is it actually worth using for your blog, shop, or brand in 2025? The short answer, yes, if you set it up the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to decide if Pinterest is right for your business, as well as how to set up your Pinterest business account the right way, what actually matters in 2025, and how to start using Pinterest to grow your brand. Hi, I'm Max, and I help bloggers, online shop owners, and affiliate marketers use Pinterest to get their content seen without burning out. If that's your vibe, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and let's get into it. If you're building anything online, a blog, a digital product, an affiliate site, even an e-commerce shop, Pinterest is one of the simplest ways to get your content seen. It's actually the third largest search engine in the world after Google and YouTube. It's designed to get your content in front of people who are already searching for what you offer. Whether that's a how-to article, a gift guide, a product that they're ready to buy, they want to find your link. 85% of weekly Pinterest users have made a purchase from the content they've found on Pinterest. That's huge if you're promoting products, digital offers, or affiliate links. So you don't need a big audience and you don't need to go viral. All you need are the right keywords and consistent pins. Remember, Pinterest users are planners. They're searching with intent. Unlike TikTok and Instagram, your pins can keep driving traffic for months or even years after you post them. So if any of that sounds like your business or content, keep watching. Next, I'm going to show you how to set up your Pinterest business account and start promoting your business in the right way. With a business account, you'll have access to analytics on Pinterest performance and audience insights, the ability to claim your website or shop, access to Pinterest ads, and most importantly, you'll be allowed to promote your content, products, and affiliate links. So, how do you set up a Pinterest business account? You've got two options. Number one, create one from scratch at business.pinterest.com. Number two, convert your personal account by going to your settings and selecting Convert to Business. If you're serious about using Pinterest to grow your blog, shop, or brand, I highly recommend starting fresh so you can set up your account with the right keywords, SEO, and branding from the beginning. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do all of that in this video. Let's go to business.pinterest.com. Click sign up, enter your name, email, and business name. From here, you're going to choose your business type. Pick whatever fits your business best. Creator, online store, service provider, you can't mess this up. Once you're in, we're going to click the drop down in the top right and go to Settings, Account Management. From here, this is where you can also convert your personal account to a business one. But we're going to go ahead and claim our website. Go to the left-hand menu and click Claim. This is where you can connect your website, Etsy shop, or Shopify store, so Pinterest can properly link your content and track your performance. Once you've connected your website or shop, you're going to want to set up your profile. Simply add a profile photo that matches your website or brand and write a short, keyword-rich bio and set a username that matches your brand too. If you're unsure about keywords or SEO, check out the Pinterest tutorial I've linked in the description below. It's a quick 5-minute tutorial about Pinterest SEO and explains everything you need to know about how to find and choose the right keywords. So your account is set up. What's next? This is where most people mess up. They either post randomly, skip keywords and SEO, or focus only on design without thinking about discoverability. Remember, this is a search engine. Don't worry if these words don't make sense yet. I'm about to break them all down. Here are 4 things that actually matter in 2025 if you want Pinterest to work for your business. Number 1, clear profile positioning. It means make sure your bio and boards clearly tell Pinterest and people what your account is about. This means use clear information and strategic keywords. Instead of saying wellness whiz, try Instagram social media manager for wellness coaches. While this may lack pizzazz, it clearly tells Pinterest and your followers what you do, who you help, and what your pins will be related to. This massively helps the algorithm decide who to show your pins. Number 2, SEO optimized boards. Remember, SEO means search engine optimization, so we want to be using the right keywords to name and describe our boards. Don't just save to random boards. Instead, create keyword-specific boards that match your niche. For example, name a board email marketing tips or budget travel for Europe. Use clear titles and write descriptions that include keywords. Number 3, create fresh pins. You don't need new content, but you do need new pins. A fresh pin means you have a new image, a new title, or a new description so that each pin looks unique, even if the link stays the same. Don't repin the same Canva pin you made 2 years ago. Make new pins each and every time. And number 4, consistency over volume. While Pinterest has said they want 20 plus pins per day, they actually care more about the quality of your pins and how consistently you're pinning. For example, instead of 20 pins per day, what about 20 pins per week? As long as it's something that you can create high value pins and pin consistently, this is what Pinterest values. And if you're struggling with ideas or how to create fresh content, Pin Generator is a tool that I highly recommend to help you out. Getting started with Pinterest for Business doesn't have to be overwhelming. You've already got your business account set up, you understand that keywords and SEO matters, and you've got a clear path for creating pins that actually get seen. And if design or consistency is where you usually get stuck, tools like Pin Generator can seriously speed things up. It's as simple as dropping in your website link, clicking scan, and watching it pull in optimized titles, descriptions, and images ready to go. We actually used it to create a month's worth of pins, 60 pins in under 5 minutes. I'm going to include that link in the description below, and it will walk you through the exact process so you can start pinning as soon as today. Well, that's it for today. Your Pinterest for Business account is set up and ready to go. If this video helps you get started, make sure to like and subscribe and give us a comment below. Let me know. What are you using Pinterest for? Is it a blog, a shop, something else? I'd love to follow along. I'm Max, and I'll be back next week with another way to simplify Pinterest without burning out. Let's get generating.